Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CRV cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. You will need a new cabin air filter, and sometimes a small flathead screwdriver might be helpful. It's a quick process, usually taking about 15 minutes, and can save you money on dealership service fees. Keeping your air filter fresh ensures a healthier cabin environment for everyone inside your vehicle. First, open your glove box and clear out everything inside. Next, locate the small damper arm on the right side of the glove box and carefully detach it by pushing it inward. Then, gently squeeze both sides of the glove box inward to release the retaining tabs. This will allow the entire glove box assembly to swing down, giving you full access to the cabin air filter housing behind it. You're doing great so far. Now you'll see a black cover over the filter housing, usually secured by two plastic clips on either side. Pinch these clips inward and pull the cover straight off. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Before you discard it, pay close attention to the airflow arrows printed on its side. These arrows indicate the direction air flows through the filter, which is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Often, the arrows point downward. With your new filter, ensure the airflow arrows are pointing in the correct direction, typically downward, and slide it into the housing. Replace the filter cover, pressing firmly until the two clips snap into place. Now, lift the glove box, pushing in on the sides to re-engage the stops. Finally, reattach the damper arm to its post on the right side. Close the glove box, and you're all set with fresh, clean air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.